transform this row, well, this whole trailer here, into a mobile storage unit. First, I lay the plastic down. Well, you didn't quite see it, but I had a saw over there, laid them out after the plastic went down. So we have a super high quality stereo rated, like 1-inch thick floor. It was already boards all across, so I just put these boards on the boards, and then taking that thing and going zip, 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 zip. These little guys, the one screw. Because, you know, that's my life, and everything's got to be a 10x obstacle course.